Hey guys, what is going on? It's Carlos here. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. So guys, it's time for Black Lightning. I know this came out yesterday, guys, after The Flash, an hour after The Flash, but I'm working till 10 PM here in New Zealand, so I cannot watch this straight after The Flash. I tried to stay up, guys. I tried after uploading The Flash. It was too hard. I honestly would have been falling asleep while reacting. So there was no point in that. So we're doing it now, a day later. But I will be doing them straight after The Flash when I get to studying and have normal hours, guys. So as you guys know, when I cut these down to YouTube standards, you know how it is, 10 minutes of footage pretty much. The Flash episode, I had to cut out so much, guys. So many good parts of me talking to you guys. If you guys want to watch my full reaction to the episode, check out my Patreon down below. You guys don't have to become a patron, obviously, but that is a way to watch a full-length reaction. It's a little bit better, I think, than the YouTube. But anyway, guys, enough talking. If you're already a patron, guys, and you're on Patreon watching this full reaction, you're probably like, shut up, Carlos, make a different intro. I will eventually, guys, I will eventually. But anyway, Black Lightning, Season 2, Episode 1, let's go.
The purpose of Black Lightning was to kill Tobias, who killed my father.
What a way to die.
Has left our community and
I want to see how much faster I am, guys. On green light. Give it to me.
Principal Pierce, because you
Cheers,
were
guys.
not on campus.
Again, I was on a mini vacation with my family.
In a remote area where there was very limited means of communication. Yeah, we get it. But even days after the attack, you chose not to show up to work.
Black Lightning.
This was just a matter of unfortunate timing.
Sorry,
Very
YouTube.
unfortunate.
Please
Principal
don't block
Pierce.
my video
I'm
for
sure
that
you
language.
understand that some.
When we arrived, no one was there. Just the children in those pots.
So I guess he went to the same place as the surveillance footage and Agent Proctor.
Looking at me like that.
What? God, they gave me a fright. Like, what's this shit? Holy shit!
So now I'm
Sorry for my
floating.
language. Watch out. She looks good in that costume right there. Not costume, clothing. Oh no.
Might as well want to talk to you about that briefcase.
Oh, what a miss. She's dead. Oh, so they're both out of bullets. This is the Ant-Man trailer music. Oh, damn. Sad to see one of them go. Her outfit's pretty on point. She's done.
Should have accepted my invitation.
Oh shit. No way.
I bet you got my hair wet.
Shit.
Peter Esposito. The untouchable Taylor.
Who are you? And what do you want?
I love that movie always
I'm a
pulls.
fellow spotter who's out in the cold.
Like them, I'm trying to save the school. Not your job.
I went Thunder and Lightning, guys. On the streets, wrecking guys, man. Come on.
We've taken a look at
Give it
the
to me.
government's response to our request.
And then you can play that song, Lightning and Thunder.
We need to raise well over $500,000. Like I said, we're doing everything we can.
Are you dealing with the fact that you shot someone with a shotgun? Or that Gamby killed a man? Or that I electrocuted somebody who might be dead now?
Gamby
Which
killed a
part
man.
do you want me to deal with
Get outta
first,
here.
Mom? What's
He
your
would
tone,
never.
young lady? Jen!
Sit down, Mom! That's so funny, man. You made her do that. No, I'm kidding.
I'm not a child.
Damn. These two are fighting again.
You were so concerned about me. Why haven't you mentioned even once that I killed a man and how I felt about it? But you have a problem with me
It's not that you or
going to
him.
Gamby and helping
It's not
those
that you killed him
children?
for the hell of
What,
it.
do I...
That's dope, man. That's what I would do. I'd go and steal from crooks, man. That's how I would become rich. But is it stealing if you steal previous steal? Yeah, it is. I love the style of fights they have on this show. That's dope. So the Flash has up their CG and the way they film looks better. This already looks better than last year.
Jefferson Pierce's
Figured it out.
daughters.
Boom!
Anissa. Come on, man. I asked you a question.
Just keep your voice down, dude. Someone could be listening.
Yes.
Don't act pissed.
Okay.
Be like, yo, show me what you can do.
What do we do now?
That changed real quick. I need a drink too, guys. Wish it was an easy drink though, because I'm tired.
A therapist, but maybe you should see one too.
Here we go.
You think I'm crazy?
Don't turn into the Flash with a therapist, man.
Crazy.
Don't do it.
I think you've been through.
It's like a sideshow, man.
Not just
Funny sometimes. Just shit a lot of the time.
Fighting.
Looks shady. It's dodgy, man. Get out of that damn jumper.
Does she know who has it? What's in the briefcase?
Like the end of days. All of them, they gonna end up like that boy that the police choked out. And Nima's still missing.
Is he dead,
all those
though?
other kids from back in the day that were experimented on, they're all freaks. End of days, girl, I'm telling you.
They're all freaks. Oh no.
Well, you won't be needing that.
God willing, we won't.
We're eating good tonight, guys. You better cash that real
Praise
quick.
the Lord. Praise the Lord.
My baby, right?
From the dead. Oh, black, yeah. Let's say black lightning.
No,
The green
I
light,
don't want
man.
anything to do with you. What are you talking about? Nothing. No, you can't be my baby. My baby is dead. No, I was relieved when you died. I was happy to bury you. No, I was scared. I was confused. I didn't mean to say these words.
It's gonna wreck you, dude. Put your gun down. Did they kill him?
Come on, Jennifer, open the door. You're scaring me. Keisha, go home, okay? Keisha, go home.
Damn. Sounds magical. Yo, that looks dope. That's sick. He wants that power. I know they're not fireflies, well they might be. Those are little things that hang around the room, that's dope. Nice Christmas decorations, guys, you know. Just fire him, but to close the edge
I'll
of school.
step down as principal. I'm trying to save Garfield. Not my job.
Dude, that's Rachel how the mum reacted today. Like they're crying about the baby, about her baby. And then he comes out, nah, you're not my kid. We're like, what? Alright, bawling. Or is she taking that to the church? She's gonna get wrecked one day, man. Yo, close your window. People are gonna see you floating. Tobias.
Cyanide was the only thing left in this world that I gave a damn about.
And you should have taken better care of her.
Oh shit. Oh no, that's not on.
I'ma peel your skin off with a butter knife, you bitch.
Did she kill herself? I'd rather kill myself than get my skin peeled off with a butter knife. Alright guys, so that was episode 1 of season 2 of Black Lightning. Pretty decent episode, guys. Not my favorite episode that we've seen altogether from the show first season, and obviously this first episode of second season. Quite depressing episode for the most part. A few cool things littered throughout the episode, guys. If you're on YouTube and you want to watch this on Patreon, guys, full length episodes, you don't miss anything that I've cut out of it to put on YouTube, make sure to go join me over there. That's if you want to, guys. That's completely up to you. Some people just like the YouTube format, but there's a lot of things I delete from the episodes. Anyway, guys, let me know down below what you guys thought about the episode. Good episode, but started off a bit slow. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, guys. And as always, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. May the Speed Force be with you. Peace out.